What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a 2000 Lexus RX. I'm working on the passenger side, so you'll be able to see the windshield wiper fluid filled valve. But what you want to do is just kind of reach over here and to the side. It's pretty simple. It's just a spin. Kind of want to get it spin down on it. And once you spin down, get your other hand. I'll show you when it's out. Yeah, once you spun it down, then you just kind of wiggle it and it'll come loose just like this. And once you have your bulb out, you just kind of want to come to the back of it. That's what it looks like right here. So once you have it out, all you want to do is squeeze the bottom right here and then just kind of pull out on your bulb like that. You'll have your bulb out and you'll be able to change it out for another bulb. Again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Lexus RX 300. This happens to be a 2000 year, but it's probably the same for multiple years. Alright, thanks. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.